Hi everyone, thanks so much for joining me stitching and stamping with Sue. I'm giving this a second try because the first link I tried to do this, I failed. So welcome if you're brand new. This is the announcement of the giveaway winner of the free Paper Pumpkin 1-month subscription. So if you watched the video on Monday and you left a comment, you're in the US and over 18 years of age, then your comment is entered into the free giveaway. So I want to go ahead and do that, but stay tuned because this is the key to my heart. I have alternative projects. You're not going to want to miss that. So I went ahead and I copied the YouTube link of the video and filtered duplicate names and whatnot, and it says pick a winner. I have one winner. It's the first time I'm using this one, so hopefully I did this one right. The last one didn't work at all. So pick a winner. I'm not a robot. Okay, using the free version. Okay, why didn't this work? Oh, winner, here we are. Here is the winner, Nancy Volz. Nancy, I know who you are. I have your email. So Nancy left, OMG, Paper Pumpkin. It's nice to have a comment. Oh, it's nice to have a convenient go-to box full of yummy goodies. So I'm going to take a screenshot of that. Nancy, I will contact you with the code on the Paper Pumpkin subscription freebie giveaway. So if you're brand new here, so Nancy, congratulations. And I'm very excited that you are the chosen winner. So there we go. So there were 10 comments only. Come on, people, let's do some more commenting. Let me get this out of the way because my iPad needs to charge up. So again, let's all congratulate Nancy for being the winner of the Paper Pumpkin subscription box, and she can use that for her choice of subscriptions. So in order to be involved in future giveaways, you all know what to do. You have to like, comment, share, and when you subscribe, if you click that notification bell for all, you will be notified when all videos are uploaded, so you won't miss a single thing. And some of you have been mentioning that you're not getting notifications. Well, just go back to the setting and unsubscribe and resubscribe and click on that bell, and that should clear things for you. There's some issues sometimes with YouTube, and yeah, things happen, right? So I want to share with you some of my alternative projects that I came up with from Monday after I uploaded the unboxing video till today, which is Thursday. And I did announce that Thursday morning would be the giveaway announcement. So this is the Paper Pumpkin box, key to my heart, and it is the January 2023 box. Now you can no longer get this box, but you can right now sign up to get the box for January until the 10th of January. Just want to make sure that I am in camera here. All right, I'm going to leave these boxes over here so I kind of know. So let's go ahead and check out the projects that I created using this kit. Well, first off, I used these cute little boxes, which were from last month's kit. And if you missed out on that one, this was the Paper Pumpkin for December 2022, and it included little gift boxes, and it was a lot of fun. I'm saving my gift boxes because you never know when you need to, give a little gift of a little treat. In here, I'm not sure if I can open this. I made two. Oh, here's what I put inside. I put these little Hershey heart. They're peanut butter and milk chocolate little hearts. And I made two of them, one for each of my grandsons. And I used those boxes from last month's kit. And I think they came out really cute and absolutely love them. So there's another idea for you. I used some embellishments on here, and do I have them readily available? These little sequins that I used. I thought I had them tucked in here. Maybe not. No, I'm not sure where they are. Hold on a second. Right? Well, here they are. The little embellishments that I used on each one of these was the adhesive back sequins and gems. And they come with these little pieces, which is what I used on this little heart that was stamped with the stamp set. And then I used the dies from the Give It a Whirl. And all the embellishments, the little sequins that I used were from the Adhesive Back Sequins and Gems. And I used one of them right here for the keyhole on the little heart. And I think that they came out really, really cute. So let me move these aside and then we will look at them one by one. So the whole way that this whole kit came about with Stampin' Up! Is that apparently there are walls that people, you know, when they fall in love and they go ahead and they make a commitment to each other, there's like a fence or a wall. I think there's one in Paris, but there's ones other places. And what they don't do it anymore, but what they used to do is take a lock and a key, and they would take, and this would mean that they would lock in their love for one another and, you know, throw away the key into, I believe it was like a little river or something. And so they don't do it anymore because of the fact of, you know, environmental issues. But my thought here with this one was to make a little brick wall to hang the locks on. And of course, there's no key here because we threw that away, right? And a cute little Valentine card. I took a little bit of white, the white Whisper White craft stamp pad, and used one of our little brushes and just brushed a little bit to kind of show the brick wall a little bit, which was done on black. And this was just one of the card bases from the kit. So I thought that was extremely cute. And these I put up on dimensionals. All right, so next one, I saw an idea someone did of a fun fold, and I thought, oh, that was a good idea. And you know me, if you follow me, I'm not much into fun folds and things like that. Let me just make sure I'm still in camera. Okay, go up a little bit, Sue. And so I did this fun fold card, and I thought it was super cute. And again, you just fold this over halfway. So this was actually the card, right? So I just scored it, folded over one way. I used gold embossing to stamp the little hearts with the locket kind of thing. And picked up the gold because the gold is actually on the card and on the little lock here. The little heart, again, all the little embellishments were using the Give It a Whirl die, which has 3 different size hearts in it. And I love that it has the stitching. And again, those sequins, a little stamping on the front, and a little piece inside where you can write. And then this is hidden, so you don't actually know that there's a white inside. And I think that came out really cute. All right, so next up, I saw this idea and I thought, oh, that's what I see too. So this is, for the one card, it has a punched out keyhole. And I'll show you one later that's done with it. And I turned it upside down and used it as a vase. And some of the cut flowers from our designer series paper that we have. And I used one a little tag, just a little reminder that you are loved. And when you open it up, I cut up one of the envelopes, used it as a liner, a little white piece inside, so lucky to call you friend. And when you close this up, can't really see that there's something inside, but there is. And I think, you know, this idea of using it as a little vase was such a cute idea. Now, when I went to do this, my original thing was to put the whole thing in the center, but then I realized you can see the words, so I had to kind of scooch it up that way. But I think it still works, and I love it. You can add a little bit of Wink of Stella on that if you'd like, but it's a little way just to kind of cut the folds and cut the front of the card along the fold from corner to corner, and just create a cute little design. All right, next up, I used one of the dies, and I forget the name of it, but it has 2 dies. One has the rectangle that it cuts out, and one has little circles where you can kind of do little peekaboos. But what I did is I used the inside lining of the envelope, cut that apart, and did the little peekaboos, put a little bit of fresh freesia cardstock behind, and a little bit of embellishment. This time is just our basic rhinestones, and just kind of tucked in the little locks with a little key there and a little bit of the twine that came in the kit, and just stamp some hearts along the side, and it says, "You hold the key to my heart." Now this could be for anything. I wanted to try to not so much steer toward Valentine's Day because I don't have a lot of Valentine's Day cards I'm going to send, but you know, let's go ahead and check out some more. So this one, this is, again, I used that vase. I just love that idea. I got carried away with it. A little, excuse me, to my Valentine. Down here, I just took a basic piece of, I want to say soft suede cardstock, and I just took my, words just don't come to me anymore these days. My Stampin' Blends, and just went along with lines to kind of make it look like it was a piece of wood, like a table, a little piece of the vellum that came in the kit, and put this up on dimensionals. Again, some of our designer series paper that was cut out, and to my Valentine, and a little bow right there. And the base card is a card in the kit, nothing on the inside, so I can zhuzh that up later if I choose. All right, let's go to the next one. The next one is, I used those inside pieces. Let me get the other card. So here was the one I did that I cut them out. Well, those pieces that were cut out, I used as a little bit of layering. I put the vellum circle that was in the kit behind all of this. I just want to make sure I'm still in camera. Yes, I am. Right there is good, Sue. My door is always open for you, and that's from the door set that is in the catalog, and a little bit of embossing folder behind, and on the inside, again, nothing, but a little bit of layering. I took the basic rhinestones and one of our Stampin' Blends, and I colored them in. This one was dark, rich raspberry, so instead of being clear, you can make these basic rhinestones any color that you wish. And I think that came out really, really cute. All right, next up, this one, I don't know, I posted it, I did it, I had it in my mind as soon as I saw it. If you saw my unboxing video, my thought was ahead. This is that same vase. Do you remember the vase of this one? So this was the same vase, and I just turned it around, and my first thought was a head with a neck. So went ahead, Give It a Whirl dies again. This was supposed to be clouds, so I made it the head. And I'm not really good with doing eyes and things, so I just went with little Google eyes. And one of the little hearts from Give It a Whirl. And then this little tab here was when you punch out these little key locks, there's this little piece inside here, okay? Well, this would be the one that I kind of use. The piece inside here that punches out, that's what I use. I just kind of cut it down. I used a little bit of our Stampin' Blends, and I use that as the mouth. And then some basic rhinestone gems. And then I thought, well, this could kind of look like, you know, like a bust. I guess that's what you would call it. And ended up using the keys for the hands, another little heart that was stamped and cut out with the dies, Give It a Whirl. Again, the same background embossing folder and some dimensionals. And there you go. I don't know. She's kind of like maybe not so nice looking woman. I guess could be a man, but with some gems. Hey, you know, you do you, whatever you want it to be. But I thought it was cute. And I thought using the cloud for the hair was a pretty good idea. Now the inside here is the actual card. The inside of that card, I probably should put a piece of a white cardstock there, but you'll see that's where the little head, see, the little would have been the head and the neck. That's how we did that. But I wanted to keep that so you can see how the inside, this is one of the inside of the cards. And again, I would stamp something there. I have to use my little, I have this mono. I could use this on here to remove some of that adhesive, get that off of there. Because of course, when I closed the card, the glue must have still been wet. But if you use this little doodaddy thing, you can remove that adhesive on there, and I'll work on that later. Okay, so there was that one. Made a little person. All right, next, here's another floral bouquet. So this one with the keyhole, I took the vellum circle and I colored it in again with the Stampin' Blends on the back side and set that aside to dry and filled that in. You can't see it because it's layered up on a piece, so I cut the cardstock, the card down a little bit and used some of the cardstock I had in my stash, a little Thinking of You, some of those gems again. And so this has vellum on here, so it actually looks like there's water in the vase. And I thought that was a pretty good idea. So there was that card. And then I believe these final ones are the ones that were suggested by Stampin' Up. And I always like to do one of the suggestions that, one of each design of the suggestions that Stampin' Up does. And that was one of them. And here is the second one, To My Valentine, using the little locks. And it also came with this piece of Fresh Freesia punch out as well. You can watch the video that shows you all the contents. And then this was another design. This is where that little keyhole piece came from. And you hold the key to my heart, and when you open it up, there's the little key, and super cute. So I think that everything came out really, really nice. You know, sometimes people look at these kits and they think that that's not for me. It's not something that I would want, you know, to create. I don't need Valentines. Well, you don't have to. You can make them however it is you want them to be, and make them your own. You know, just think outside the paper pumpkin box, and they can all be different. So again, congratulations to Nancy for being the winner of the free subscription for whatever month she chooses. She, I believe, is already a Paper Pumpkin subscriber, but that's not a problem. She can just add that code on to her next subscription, and maybe she, you know, wants to get 2 of an upcoming box. She might have seen a sneak peek of the one that is currently available, which is super cute. It has additional add-on dies. Go back to watch, I will link it down below, the original unboxing video, and it will go through all the pieces and things that came in this fun kit. So I want to thank you all for joining me. I hope this might have inspired you to maybe think a little bit outside the Paper Pumpkin box, and I look forward to coming back to do some more stamping videos with you all very soon. Have a wonderful day. Till next time, happy stamping. Bye for now.